Alright, it's been a while since I said I was gonna make an update video on the CRV. Yeah, it's clean right now kinda, but I added some stickers. That's new. I still need to get rid of this one because I don't like it. I don't know what it is. I'm at the bank. I gotta turn in some money. Anyways, check this out. Surprise, surprise! They stole the catalytic converter, bruh. But yeah, are you kidding me, man? And yeah, that happened. So maybe I'll tell that story. But check it out. You ready for this? Mad things. Mad things. Very disappointing. Very, very disappointing. I don't know why people do this. Take a listen on how it sounds on the road. Bruh, do you hear how loud this is right now? Oh my god, it ain't even that loud right now, but check this out. Bro, I only went like 2 miles an hour. You saw that. Hold up. Ready? Watch this. Hold up. God damn it. Check it out. Mad yattings. Mad yattings. Absolute madness, bro. Absolute madness, bro. Absolute madness. If you do this on purpose, can you just put in the comments and tell me why? Why do people do this on purpose? Like, there's some people who actually take them out of their car on purpose because they think it sounds good. I don't get it, bro. You gonna really have to explain that one to me, because I really don't get it, bro. Why do people steal stuff, bro? Why? Why? Do you know why? I don't know. Listen. Mad things, you know? Mad things. Could you imagine, bro, if you didn't know what it was? You would think your car's gonna blow up. If I didn't know what this was, I would think my car's about to explode, bro. Like, no way. No way. Hey, that's a dope Jeep. Hey, check out the Jeep. It doesn't look good from the back. Oh, why do people steal catalytic converters, or however you say the word? Can someone just in the comments explain, like, if you've ever stolen one or you steal them or whatever, can you explain why? I'm not gonna judge you. I'm not gonna call you a POS, or I'm not gonna say you're a bad person, or I just want to know why and how much you get out of it. Is there like a secret business I don't know about or something? Is there some sort of like underground catalytic converter market? I don't understand. I don't understand. And I don't understand how this problem started. Like, if no one ever stole them, this would be a non-issue. If people didn't try to buy them off the market, this would be a non-issue. I understand buying it off the market though. Like, of course you're gonna try and get it for 40 bucks instead of paying 400, which is what this one will cost, by the way. So I have the second gen Honda CRV 2004. All right, it's gonna cost me $400 if I want to replace it, but it might vary where you're at and stuff, and the place I went to might be more or less generous. I don't know. Generous, I meant. But when I googled it and stuff, it was like at least $1,000. So I'll barely be paying $600. So I'm probably gonna have to live with this for a few weeks because I'm broke. I can't afford no $600 at this exact second. Technically, I have that in my bank account, but no, I can't afford it though. I mean, technically you can. It's in your bank account, so you can afford it. No. Like, this really, really sucks. I think I just saw my brother. Shout out, Devon, if that was you. He has a nice car, bro. He must have got a good car, man. Woo! Good ass